raining again. The second time it's rained today. But as you can see off in the distance, geese don't care. Idiots. It's not as raining as bad as it was earlier. It was scary the way it was raining earlier. It got really dark and it was really windy and it was blowing sideways. This is a heavy, it's not as heavy. But either way, geese don't care. Weirdos. You know it's authentic when it's got the Sasquatch.
Hey, man.
Hey, there's Alan.
I am boring.
That's definitely fresh, though.
Vanna White?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, you can see the steam coming off of it. That is an abomination, is what that is. Peeps are disgusting enough as it is. That's just wrong. That's right up there with store brand Pop-Tarts.
Or Anthrax.
Or Anthrax. Because I can tolerate a lot of things that are store brand.
Hey, Rachel, do you mind if
But
I
not
get store brand
store
Pop-Tarts over
brand-
the regular Pop-Tarts?
No!
Thanks, I'm gonna buy me.
I've yet to have any generic brands Pop-Tarts that taste as good as the real ones. They all taste like cardboard. Right.
Shaft is spinning.
There it goes. It rained earlier and it was just rain. This is hail. Let's see if I can catch some. Good Lord. Look at that. Hail. Being pelted. God, it must be so tough being you. Now you're looking at me like, why are you standing here? You're goofy, you know that. Goofy. You don't care. Where's Kissy? Kissy in here? There's Kissers. Hi, Kissy. That's a girl. It's like you're disturbing my nap. Leave me alone. Sounds like a weed whacker. Smells like one too.
Yeah, I like the smell of it. Blades need a little bit of track.
It's a cold one, folks, for mid-ish May. 46 degrees according to my car, and let's see, this time last weekend it was 70 something. Granted, I wasn't up at 7:30 in the morning, but I'm pretty sure it was warmer than 46 degrees last weekend. Yeah. And it's early. Like I said, 7:30 at the moment. It's garage sale day number 2. Still cold like yesterday, but I think today will be dry. So I think that will help. That and the fact that it is now Saturday and not Friday. It's not a work day. So you're going to have a lot more people available to go garage sailing. So we'll see. If there's anything left at the end of the day, it's going straight to charity. I am not keeping anything that doesn't sell. And I'm not holding on to it till the next garage sale because who knows when that will be, and I'm not going to hold on to that junk. Very cool, very sweet. Bear in a cone is quite a treat. So there's a menu.
They should have a bullet board here where people can post it.
Sundays. Chauncey approved. Why are you always out of focus?
You guys have a great day.
Thank you.
Every time I try to video you, you're out of focus. Why is that?
Because I'm the blur. Over by the pond or the creek.
Crick?
What?
Crick?
Creek.
Go hang out by a crick. It is absolutely gorgeous outside. The weekend, it was just crap. And of course, that was a weekend that we had our garage sale. Now it's nice, but it's not garage sale day anymore. I have a stowaway in my car. He and that box are going to Goodwill. Ooh, there's somebody with a Florida license plate in front of me. Take me with you. Are you going back? Can I come with you? I don't even care what part of Florida. I'll figure it out once I get there.